In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the inside door handle on this Ford Escape. Let's get into it. Behind the handle, there's a little cover. We're just going to use a pick. You can use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop that off. It's just clipped in. Using a 7mm socket, take this screw out. That out. Using a couple of trim tools, we're going to get underneath the switch plate, just pry up. There's a couple of clips that go down. This cover does slide off. There's a couple of clips holding that on. You don't need to take that off, but sometimes it might help. Then you can see where the clips are. Just get underneath here. Just try to pry up. The hard one is popping that one underneath. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, slide it off. Using a 7mm socket, take these two screws out. On the side, there's a little reflector. I'm just going to use a pick. Pop that off. Use a 7mm socket. Take this screw out. Underneath, we're going to use a 7mm socket. Take this screw out. Using a trim tool, just go around, just pop the clips out. Grab the panel, slide it up a little bit. The cable that attaches to the handle, just grab that. And it just slides out. You can disconnect the connectors, just push on the tabs. This vehicle has a light right over where the handle is. If your vehicle doesn't, you don't have to worry about this step. And then I'm just using a pick, just get underneath here and just slide that to the side. Then using a pick or a screwdriver, just push in on these little clips. And push the handle in a little bit. Just like that, and it comes right out. We're going to remove this switch. There's a little tab right there. Just push down on that. Then you can use a straight blade screwdriver. Just push in on that one and slide the switch out. Now take the handle, slide the switch in place, make sure it's right side up, lock it in place. Now take the handle, this part you want to slide in first. and then lock that in. That's good. Take the light, if your vehicle has that. There's two little slots right here. Just want to make sure that slides over the tab. Just like that. That's good. Take the door panel, line the connectors up. Plug those in. Take the cable, line this up. Push it on. That's good. And line the top part of the door panel up. Make sure the wire's through for the window switch. It's lined up. Head, lock it down, and put the screws in. Get those started. Snug those down over near the handle. Snug those down. On the side here. Snug that down. And snug that one down. Take the reflector, lock that in place. Connect the window switch. Get that in position. I'm going to slide it in over here first. Get it lined up. Lock it down. If this cover popped off, you want to pop that in place. And this cover, there's a little tab there. You want to push that tab in first. Lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.